stunning home in Delwood Point at the Preserve, ready for a new family. This immaculate 3-bedroom/2-bath beauty offers a brand new roof, a split-bedroom floor plan, custom finished concrete flooring, an archway between the dining area into the living room, crown molding and chair rails, and a lovely sunroom where you can enjoy gazing at the botanical garden that is the backyard. The exterior of the home has recently been repainted with elastomeric paint, and there is a 2-car garage with extra cabinets built in. This home is immaculate and move-in ready, is situated on a cul-de-sac, and you'll love this quiet and family-friendly community. Shopping, dining, schools, golf courses and beaches are a mere 5 minutes away. All info is approximately and must be verified by buyers if important.